Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add wallpaper to your Firefox. As you can see, this Firefox is open but it's kind of bland and boring, so we want to make it look better, so we want to add wallpaper to it. How do we do it? You tap on the three dots at the top right corner, tap on customize home page, and then you can see wallpaper. Tap on it and now you can choose the wallpaper you want. You can choose from the classic Firefox wallpaper or from the artist series. So let's see what we got from the one we've chosen. You can see it looks nice, much better than before. So don't forget to check through and pick the one you prefer. So here they are. Let's see this artistic one. Let's go for this and see how the artistic one looks. Let's see how it looks. Seems to be wasting my time a little bit. Alright, it has been updated, so let's go see how it looks. And this is it. I think I kind of prefer the first. Just customize it to your preference, of course. Right now, I think I'll go with the first one I chose. I kind of like that first one. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.